Daddy, why is there a penguin in the middle of the forest?
Global warming, I don't know. I'm not a scientist, kid.
You're a kid, don't you know that the world is dying? It's so insensitive, man.
I'm a monkey.
Wow.
Why is the monkey holding a phone?
Opposable thumbs. I think that's what it is. Opposable thumbs.
There's those drinks for y'all.
Where's my milk?
There's no milk in the rainforest. What the?
Well, what about the cow over there?
What are you doing here?
Oh, sorry, wrong restaurant.
Okay. So how's school?
Well, Daddy,
Oh, I think the storm is about to begin. Get ready. Get ready. Nah, I guess they're just tempting us there. So what were you saying?
now, you know Billy in my class? Well, my anger was building up again, and then I didn't know what to do, but then I just, Daddy, what is this place?
It looks like they're having some like technical difficulties. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's okay. Okay. I promise. This is the real Rainforest Cafe. I'm sure. What is? I promise. This is.
There you go.
We didn't order this.
Oh, nice.
Hey, boss. Listen, it's my kid's 6th birthday, and
We don't do birthdays.
You can't sing my song. I mean, come on, just make it work. Just make it work, please. It's my weekend.
Daddy, can I get a picture in front of the raccoon? Daddy, why does the raccoon smell more like a skunk?
It's the trash carter. Just say cheese.
My name's Milo.
Here we go. So adorable. Gosh, this screensaver. That's it, right there.
There you go.
You want me to lie?
No.
Enough with the funny stuff.
It's